It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Dogecoin. At the current time of this video, Dogecoin is going for 24 cents per Dogecoin. Of course, depending on when you catch the video, it could either be higher or lower. Let's take a look here at some key levels for the pricing of Dogecoin over the last 5 days. So I have two support levels here and then a resistance. We're going to go with the first support level here that is at 22 cents. The next level of support is at 24 cents here. Currently the price is 24 cents as you could see. So we're right around that second support level. Then the resistance on this 5-day chart, it goes all the way up here to 28 cents. So there is a nice gap here between the 24 and the 28 cents. This is how I would play Dogecoin here, just hypothetically. But of course, just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So here's this, we're at 24 cents, right? So the move that you would be expecting to get some profits here is 28 cents. If that move does occur, you will be able to get in some profits, especially if you're looking for a quick trade here. But if Dogecoin was to dip down into this 22 cent territory, or even below this, creating a new lower support, what I would do is actually buy at that level. So I would be looking to buy at 22 cents or lower to ride it back up to this 24 cent marker. That could very well be possible. Your other alternative is to just buy at this level of 24 cents and ride it up to the 28 cent level. Once it reaches that 28 cent level, we're probably going to want to break out into 30 or 31 cents, or it's going to test that second support level right here on the red once again. Just to look here now at some Dogecoin news. This is an article here about the Dogecoin Millionaire who was a millionaire and has lost some money. This is an article here from CNBC. Up until yesterday, I had been a millionaire. This 33-year-old Dogecoin investor refuses to sell despite losing over $167,000 in one day. That is an astonishing amount of money to lose in one day. This just goes to show you that Dogecoin is nothing to be messed with. This dude is literally holding on to his money despite losing nearly 200k. That just goes to show you how much money this dude has actually made. So let's take a look here at the article. Glauber Contestodo, sorry if I butchered that name, says that he invested over 250k in Dogecoin on February 5th with a belief that he'd become a millionaire. And on April 15th, he did. But on Monday, the top cryptocurrencies by market value, including Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin, started to crash following news of a crackdown in China. So yeah, just to talk a little bit about that. This crash did come because of everything that is going on in China with their cryptocurrency, the laws, and the whole nine. So a lot has to do with China and the price going down for crypto all across the board. This kind of just goes to show the influence that China does have with crypto. So let's continue here. With losses extending on Tuesday, which contains only Dogecoin, was hit. His holdings are down over $167,000 on Tuesday alone. He tells CNBC Make It, and his portfolio was worth $831,000 as of Tuesday at 4:40 p.m. Up until yesterday, I had been a millionaire, Contesoto, who is 33, said. If Bitcoin and Ethereum weren't also hit, I'd be worried. So this is a look at his portfolio here when it was $831,538. And of course, the little 88 cents. 4 months ago when he bought in, Dogecoin was priced at about 4.5 cents. On May 8th, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, which was created as a joke in 2013 based on the Doge meme of a Shiba Inu dog, hit an all-time high of about 73 cents, and the value of Contesoto's holdings surpassed $2 million. Okay, so let's just talk about the money he had and what he's up to now. So Contesoto had $2 million in total, and this guy is actually now at 600,000-ish. So in reality, he's really holding on here, and the price does not seem to faze him one bit. Not at all. I mean, going from 2 million to 600,000, that's not an easy thing here to sniff, you know? It's kind of a hard thing to deal with, knowing that you were a millionaire and now you're not. Let's see though what Contesoto has to say. Just scroll down a little bit here in the article. Still, Contesoto remains bullish on Dogecoin, even though he isn't currently a Dogecoin millionaire on paper. When I went into this Dogecoin investment, I planned on being in it for at least a year, he says. I put in my life savings because I knew I would eventually become a millionaire. And become a millionaire he did. Look, let's go down even further here. Contesoto is sticking to his original plan. He will sell 10% of his Dogecoin holdings once his portfolio reaches a $10 million value. $10 million of value is what he is looking for. So basically, from this point that he is sort of expecting Dogecoin to do a 10x from where it is. Maybe a bit more than a 10x. So this just goes to show you here that Dogecoin, there is a lot of belief in it, especially from someone who was a Dogecoin millionaire. Let me know what you guys think down below in that comment section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. That's cool. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you could stay up to date and notified. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.